Oh man, power's out again. Oh yeah, that's right, we got this flashlight. No problem, wow. Let's go find our breaker. Oh, look how dark it is over in there. No problem with this flashlight. Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Wuben flashlight. This is EDC flashlight. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. It looks like it's fairly small. So you guys know I love small and compact items. So hopefully it performs as good as we want it to. So here we go. All right, guys, this is it. So it's actually pretty nice looking. It's got a clip that you could put on your pants or shirt or somewhere else. It says, please remove the insulation plate before using. So let's peel this off. You thread off the back, you just twist it. So there is the insulation piece. Pull out the battery. It is a AA battery. Thread this right back on. So it looks like you have your power button right on the top here, and whoa. Look at that line of sight. Wow, that is bright for this little thing. So you press and hold, and it goes through these different light levels. You press and hold it. So you don't just press. If you press it, it turns it on and off. You press and hold. Once it goes to the next light level, you let go of the button. Press and hold, let go. Press and hold, let go. And then when you turn it off, it actually stays that brightness when you turn it back on. Press and hold, press and hold. Let's go ahead, test this out in the dark. Look at that. How are we gonna see? Boom. Wow, this flashlight is amazing. Oh no! Check this out, guys. Absolutely an amazing flashlight. I mean, look at that. From that to that. Absolutely amazing.